Professors, esteemed professors, teachers, doctors, and my dear batchmates and seniors. Today, my name is Harsh Singh, standing before you on this auspicious day, that is Republic Day. Today, we stand on the sacred soil of freedom and NIH, celebrating the strength of our constitution and the spirit of our great nation. As my worthy junior Shan Gupta already mentioned, Republic Day is not just a date in history. It is the day India chooses justice over fear, equality over discrimination, and democracy over dictatorship. Our constitution is the heartbeat of India. It gives voice to the poor, power to the weak, and dignity to every one of you. But let me ask you one thing. Are we truly living as a responsible citizen of this Republic of India? I think no. Freedom was not gifted to us, my friends. It requires blood. It requires sacrifice. Bhagat Singh smiled at death. Subhash Chandra Bose challenged an empire. Thousands died so we could live with pride. A true patriot does not just wave flag once a year. A true patriot works honestly every single day. Respect women, follows all the law, study hard, and serve the nation while silently. Our soldiers guard the nation in freezing cold while we sleep peacefully. Our farmers feed the nation in scorching heat. Our doctors save lives day and night. And let me ask you one more question. What do you think India is strong today? Why? Why India is strong today? India is not strong because of its democracy. India is not strong because of its army. India is not strong because of its leadership. India is strong because of ordinary people like you and me doing extraordinary duties. India is rising, my friends, but the future of the country is not in speeches. We must start with ourselves. If we want a disciplined India, we must work hard than ever before. Let us take a fierce promise today. We must work hard to protect our constitution, to respect every citizen. And now I want to conclude my speech. मेरे स्कूल के दिनों में मेरे जो डायरेक्टर थे, मेरे जो प्रिंसिपल थे, डॉक्टर बीसी लाटे, वो अक्सर गुनगुनाया करते थे आदरणीय स्वर्गवासी अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की कुछ पंक्तियां। भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, यह एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। यह नंदन की धरती है, यह अभिनंदन की धरती है। इसका नदी नदी, इसका कंकड़ कंकड़ हमारे लिए शंकर है। क्योंकि हम मरेंगे तो इस देश के लिए, जिएंगे तो देश के लिए, और हमारे मरने के बाद भी गंगा जल में बहती हमारी अस्थियों को कोई कान लगा के सुनेगा तो एक ही आवाज आएगी, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, मातरम, वंदे मातरम। थैंक यू।